Why do traditional medical diagnoses often feel like a one-size-fits-all suit, hanging awkwardly on the unique contours of individual patients? Imagine a world where your medical treatment isn't just based on general studies, but tailored precisely to someone just like you. Enter the realm of doppelganger search, a fascinating concept brought to the forefront by Dr. Hwa A. This approach isn't just an advancement, it's a revolution in personalized medicine. Doppelganger search zooms in on individuals who share the most similarities with you, from genetic profiles to lifestyle choices, creating a focused and personalized diagnostic and treatment plan. Traditionally, a doctor diagnoses based on their experiences and the limited datasets of patients they've encountered, supplemented perhaps by academic research. However, these datasets are often too small to reflect the full spectrum of human diversity. So, how does one transcend this limitation? Through the power of vast, open data and platforms like patientslikeme.com, where individuals can input their own health information, contributing to a larger pool of data. This allows for the identification of a health doppelganger, someone out there whose health profile mirrors yours closely. Yet, the application of doppelganger search is not without its challenges. Dr. Lim points out the critical distinction between correlation and causation, a hurdle in data analysis that remains to be adequately addressed. For instance, consider the often cited correlation that moderate drinkers tend to be healthier. But does moderate drinking cause better health, or is there another factor at play? Could better health lead to moderate drinking, or do both stem from a common lifestyle factor like social interactions? To establish causality more accurately, Dr. Lim advocates for the gold standard method, randomized controlled experiments. By dividing individuals randomly into two groups, where one group receives the treatment and the other does not, researchers can observe the differences in outcomes, thus pinpointing the causal effects. In summary, the concept of doppelganger search heralds a new era of medicine, one that embraces the complexities of individual health profiles. It challenges the conventional broad brush approach by focusing on the specific, the personal, and the precise. As we continue to expand our data sets and refine our analytical techniques, the potential to transform medical diagnosis and treatment is immense. This isn't just about being better, it's about being right, for everyone, one person at a time.